I think it's nearly time for the end of the world. So have you ever wanted to have your own personal murderous robot assistant? You may have that from this thing called Chat GPT. So basically like an open AI. It's basically like the chatbot from 2008, only this one has a brain. Yeah, it sounds like Skynet disguised. So what better way than to ask it if it is Skynet? So we can just ask it shit, I think. So write a tagline for an ice cream shop. What? Oh, this is a thing for the Are you Skynet? I don't know if this will work. No, I'm not Skynet. Okay, it works. What is the diameter of the sun? Let's just give it some quick, nice, easy ones that we can Google. So in theory, this is like your own personal assistant, like AI sort of assistant. So this thing is apparently a learned AI model that is basically like ready to go. With helping you with stuff. Can you help me? It looks like it's just another tool to get started with and help fucking make work a bit quicker and easier. Okay, why is everyone kicking up a big fuss about this? Well, it seems to be pretty capable in terms of what it can do for you. Code completion, that's limited beta, image generation. I don't mind either of these, right? But the thing, see, everyone's making memes and things about how it could basically replace programmers, but this thing can only do so much in the sense that let me just show you an example. Let's see, this should be good. I need a Hello World project in 5 different programming languages. Now I could Google this manually. Oh wow, okay. I could Google this manually, right? But the thing is, you could find all this fine. This is just a quicker way of doing it. The limitation of this is not knowing that it has given you the right answers. It's knowing that you're using the right answers in terms of, let's say this gave you the wrong answer or missing a semicolon or something. Not that it has done here. It looks like it's all okay, but if you took that code and put it into your code and it didn't work, then all of a sudden you're left stranded. And it's the same as if you Google code as well, so you have to know, it's about knowing what to copy and paste rather than just blindly doing it like this. Although this is pretty cool and snappy, this was far quicker than me Googling it. If I had to do this manually this year specifically, it could take me about 5-10 minutes. I'm checking everything, whereas this has kind of done it within 5 seconds. And I'm fairly confident it'll all be okay in terms of that it'll just work, but again, you know, you're just sort of chancing your arm. So there's that. It can help you generate code and things like that faster. So is it really the answer to all the problems? Again, I don't think so, because it seems to be one of them things where this is like Neuralink kind of in terms of it's shortening the bandwidth in terms of being able to answer and ask and get answers to questions. So again, 5 Hello World projects in 5 different languages. Again, I could have went to Stack Overflow and got that. It would have took me about 5 minutes, whereas here it took me about 5 seconds. And it picked 5 pretty popular languages for me as well. On a day-to-day basis, I think that's what it could be useful for. What does this mean for Google? So I was looking to make an inspirational quotes app, right? And I had to go through and manually copy and paste each of them into a file. If I do this, it's just doing it like, okay, well, it's stopped at 10. That's fine, because I didn't want 300, I was just trying to make a point. But even still, that's 10 things I didn't have to do, where if I had to do that manually, it'd be like... So I think this could spell the end. Not the end for Google, because you still need Google, but I mean, like, this could make life 10 times easier for a lot of people and quicker. In terms of for software engineering, I use markdown documents all the time. Let's see what it does when marking it. This night, yeah, okay, it's fucking giving me a markdown document as examples, so that's pretty cool. There is no single best Linux distro for gaming. It really depends on the types of games you plan to play and your hardware. Generally, Ubuntu is a good choice for gaming on Linux, as it has a large library of games along with hardware support. It's giving me it's fucked. It's broken. It says Ubuntu is like the best choice for gaming on Linux. Well, that's clearly wrong. Yeah, this is pretty cool. It seems to be pretty straightforward in terms of how to use it. For in the playground aspect, there are APIs to hook up to it and use it. Yeah, it seems pretty funky. So it does. Is this gonna replace developers? I don't think so. In terms of having less bugs, no, I don't. Yeah, I can't see this replacing developers anytime soon. Would it be useful for a developer to have this as a tool? Yes, because it can shorten development time, I would imagine. Like if I had to set up, to be fair, I don't know why you would need this, but if I had to set up a project with five different Hello World projects and I had like 30 seconds to get that done, this would be amazing. But you know, this is kind of like a fridge with a screen on the door. It's nice and it looks cool, but it's practically completely fucking useless at the minute. It may become useful and more relevant down the line. It is cool though. It's better than the fucking like 2008 chatbot that just would have went around the fucking circle arguing with you. This one corrects your grammar, so it's extra fucking spicy. I don't know. We'll see where this goes. I think it's cool, but we'll see. I thought it was worth talking about. I'm still sick, so I'm a bit fucked at the minute. So I hope that's kind of answered the questions. We're all going to die soon. This robot's going to kill us all, and yeah, Merry Christmas. Bye.